Repairing general topology. Okay, so in here I have an edge loop that needs to go all the way down, and we have this problem with the edge loop going into a triangle. So what I'm going to do is kind of show that you grab these two edges, control right click, edge loop utilities, to edge loop and delete. Okay. That will take all the edge loop out all the way to here, whereby I can put it back in. Oops. So insert edge loop tool, just like that. And then I'm going to use the interactive split edge tool to run it from here to here. And then enter. Now this is what the interactive edge loop tool does. It's very annoying. So go to the interactive split edge tool, turn the magnet tolerance up, or you can hit reset. Close that out. Click and then enter, and it should be good to go. Now let's repair this one. Now let's try this for example. If I went and clicked delete on the keyboard, you'll find that this is here a great many times. Okay, and the more I hit delete, the more I'm like, huh, that's weird. So let's kind of look at the problem. In this case, the edge is already detached. We can delete this one, but we cannot delete this one. Okay, so what we're going to do here is grab the faces, grab edge, and you'll see that all of this is detached in this area. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is glue this vertex back together by merging it. Now we can fill this hole, and then we can repair the edge by going like this. Don't get greedy, don't go all the way up, just get to the point where it's broke. And there we go. Now I would end it like this, so that way you have a quad. And then we're going to show you how to take this character apart and then put it back together. Because this side of the face is good, the other side of the face not so good. Here's this eye, I want to repair that. Okay. So in this case we take faces, highlight all the faces on one side. Now if you accidentally get some, you can hit Control and that will deselect. So as you marquee select things, Control will deselect things. Shift Control will highlight more things. Okay, there we go. Let's delete that. Good topology on one side. Dog Victor on the keyboard. That will allow me to move the pivot point to the center. modify, freeze transformation, edit, delete by type history. So now, since this is positive x, we're going to go edit, duplicate special square box, and make sure there's a -1 here. Okay, grab character 1, grab character 2, mesh combine. The only thing we have to do is worry about those vertices. They are not bonded. And you can see that there's no real good center point here for the vertices to join. Okay. Grab an edge by holding or double clicking this, and then holding shift and double clicking this one. If you grab the scale tool and scale a couple times in the negative direction until it switches over to the positive direction, that will bring those vertices together. Okay. Then control right click two vertices. This will grab the vertices on both sides, and then you can merge. Okay, double check all things, and this is how you do it. If you grab a vertice, just hit W, see if you can move it, undo that. Another way you could check the vertices to make sure they're okay, you can insert an edge loop, and if it goes all the way around the character, good job. I would try that in a few places. You can see right here there was some issues on the back of the neck that I never even looked at. Yep. These should be pretty simple to do. Just gonna delete those out. They looked mirrored to begin with, so now we have a completed character with better topology. Not sure if I like this. But pretty close. Alright, so this is some students' work, and I just want to basically show you how to fix it up. Enjoy.